What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be skating a 16-foot long element bench. So I'm a little bit scared of this thing just because there's a little bit of a notch in between each of these, and if they're not set up completely right, you could get caught on that. I'm gonna try to do some board slides, some 50-50s, and see what else happens. So this is 2 element benches. They come 8 feet. These are 4 each, 4, 8, 12, 16. So you're not necessarily supposed to put all of them together, but they do fit that way. There's a little bit of a gap in between them, but it's not too bad. It's not that noticeable. So I built these wooden pieces so that I can make it like 4 or 5 inches tall, so I can make it even shorter so it's easier to skate, less scary. You know, you're not going to fall as hard. But this is how you really have to set it up if you're going to do any kind of board slide. It's a different day and we set it up a little different. So you could actually use this as a manual pad if you stuck them all like this. So let's test that out. Probably be more stable too if I hit it from the side. It's not going to slide around. Personally, I think this is more useful just as the one section. It's more portable, you can lift it easy, throw it in your car, there's no assembly. So just the one section, like 5 inches tall, for me, it's perfect. That's all I need. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.